Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, hope you all had great weekend and long weekend was happening and everybody were on holidays, and even I was on holiday, so I was unable to make video for today. It is Sunday, I was unable to do it. But if you guys see, we were holding the same trade which gave us a very good profit. Okay, it took good support from this trend line and it went up. So let's start analyzing from the beginning now. So this is a valid resistance, so I'm going to keep it the same way. I'm just going to extend this trend line now. Okay, now this trend line is extended. I will remove this trend line off. These levels can be removed. Okay, great. So if you guys see, this is a very good place. Okay, market can definitely get volatile here. Volatile in the sense because of this resistance. Okay, so what happens is market will face a lot of resistance in this zone. It has to take good support from this trend line and only then break out. Okay, so where will I buy, where will I sell? I'll be very clear here. So if I get a price about 22,540 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, or it has to close somewhere on this trend line with a strong candle. Okay, strong candle, something like this, I will be definitely interested. 50 points can be the stop loss. If you get it on the trend line, make sure you exit on the resistance. If you get it above the resistance, then you can hold it. Then we can definitely trail a stop losses. Okay. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, same story. It is exactly at a resistance level, which is taking its time. It is totally fine. It should take its time before going up anywhere. So if you guys see, actually this is a resistance according to me. I don't know why it's facing here. It's totally fine. It can't go to the accurate place to get reversal or to get resistance. Sometimes it will come little forward, so that is what's happened here. So if you guys see, it is on a very good crucial level now. Where I will be interested to buy is only post 47,815 and above. Okay, so this trade most probably I'll be closing it tomorrow depending on the candle, but now my stop loss is somewhere here. Yeah, it is at 47,445. Okay, so I'll be only adding position after 47,790 and above, nothing before that. Okay, so I don't see any valid trend line here, which is totally fine. But if we get a bounce back somewhere from here, it will be really comfortable for me. I'll be able to hold it for a long time. Okay, next is US oil. US oil, the same story, guys. It went above this resistance and it boomed up. Now let's see how this works. So guys, this is a very important resistance level, okay, which has been surpassed already. Market is spending its time here. We go to 15 minutes and see it is trying to form a higher lows. Okay, so I will make this as a trend line. Above this is where I'll be looking forward to buy. So if I get price above this trend line anywhere, I'll be buying it. Nothing before that. And there's a trend line going from here, which is 100% valid. It's because there are 3 or more touches. Or if I get a price on this trend line also, I'll be buying it. See, below resistance I won't be interested because resistance is immediate. Above resistance I'll be definitely interested because this is a trend line and this is a trend line. So any price above $83.20 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. Okay, this is in US oil. Next is gold. Gold has given a very good profit. If you guys see, it's a very good profit in gold. So let's get rid of all the drawings. So it's at its all-time high now. Yeah, it's at its all-time high now, which is really good because nobody was expecting it to keep rallying like this, but this happens regularly in market. It happens. Nobody can say it is going to reverse from here because nobody knows. That is the truth. This is a very confusing zone, so I don't have any trades here until unless it crosses 22,265 and above. I don't have any trades. Okay, it has to cross this 2,265 and above. I'll be looking forward to buy. Selling, I'll be selling only post 2005. Okay, 2,205 and below I'll be selling it, nothing before that. And we have 4 stocks for swing trading. First is Indian Overseas Bank. Let me turn on the volumes. So if you guys see in a daily time frame, Indian Overseas Bank, there is no volumes, but this is a very good pattern which has been broken. So tomorrow we might see a pullback here. So if I get a price of 61 rupees to 65 rupees, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be here, 56 rupees. Okay, I know it's a big stop loss, which is totally fine. 55 to 56 rupees will be my stop loss, and my target will be at 81 rupees. So 1:4 trade is a very good risk to reward ratio. Even if we go up, it's a 1:2 trade. Okay. Next is Sunset Engineering. Good volumes on daily. Today the volumes were pretty low, but yesterday the volume was pretty high. So let's see, this is a good triangle pattern. If I get a price of 10322 to 1040, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 10110. Okay, next is Indra Prasad. Just add this in your watch list for now, because it is trying to make higher and highs. This is a very solid resistance, so safe people can buy it at 465 and above, but tomorrow I will be looking forward to buy at 445 to 450. Okay. Next, last stock is Century Tex. Century Tex has broken its all-time high with a very good volume, so we should have entered it here. It's totally fine, it's not too late yet. Play with the quantity size. Okay, just enter at, if I want, I'll be entering at 1625 to 1725. Okay, this will be the price range I'll be looking forward to enter, and my stop loss will be at 1577. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was informative. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. From tomorrow onwards, you guys will be able to see new strategy videos. I'm working on a lot of strategies which I have. Even beginners can do it. Those are going to be really profitable. Okay, so I hope you guys like my content. Like, share and subscribe. Do support. Only then I'll be able to grow. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.